Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Apple logo on the back of your iPhone can be programmed with accessibility shortcuts when you double or triple tap. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up and use the iPhone back function. Now let's get started. First, open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and select accessibility. Now select touch. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select back tap. Now you can set up what you want to use the back tap function for both for double and triple taps. Select double tap. Now choose from the variety of functions you can assign to the double tap gesture. You can set it to do anything from taking a screenshot, enabling Siri, lock your screen, adjust your volume and more. Tap the function you'd like to use for double tap. Then tap back tap in the top left corner. Do the same to set up the function you'd like the triple tap gesture to activate. Once you set these up, go ahead and double or triple tap the Apple logo on the back of your iPhone to test it out. Keep in mind that this feature works best when your phone has no case or just a thin case on it. Thicker cases may prevent your iPhone from detecting a back tap attempt. What function are you setting up with the back tap feature? This is such a cool hidden setting for the iPhone, and we hope you enjoy using it as much as we do. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.